Welcome back to my channel, and I'm Noah Costa, and today me and Leon are going to be trading the big cat potion and the highest speed potion, and my Leon best friend, she's going to be trading her highest speed potion. Hi Leon! Talk louder! Yeah, that's a cool, nice voice. Okay, so you heard what I'm talking about Okay, so I'm talking about the game. If you win the game, I'm going to I have to buy one egg and I have to give the pet that I get from trade, okay? And if I win, you have to buy an egg and give the pet that you get from trade. Understand? Okay, good job. Okay, so I have to go to trade right now, and I think before we go into trade, we are going to showing how to get a free potion. Woo! Yeah. Okay, guys. So how to get a free potion? Go to the edit house. Go to the staff. Go to the rare. You guys will see the big hat cardon, speed cardon, and I think I will see. It's hard to spell. And cauldron. Okay, so if you guys then and going to brewing the potion, it's called making the potion. And after it's done, you guys can get it for free like this. It's a lot. Okay, so I think we have to go to trade now. Shall we, Leon? 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 We have to go to trading the potion right now. It's only 5 minutes to trading it. Understand what I'm talking about? Yeah, good job. But there's not a lot of people around here. Oh my god, where are the people right now? Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I saw it. Wait, this guy just have a neon penguin. Wait for me. Oh my god, he just go past it. Everyone just have the cool neon pets. Oh my god, the cute panda. Okay, so right now I'm going to put in a lot of potions. They're just actually putting that old thing. Wait, they already have it. So it means I have to put a high speed potion. Wait, what? Aww. It's kind of strange for me that they're not escaping our trade and flexing their pets. So I'm going to put a lot of higher potion. Wait, did they just actually flexing their pet on me? Okay, so they actually adding a pterodactyl. I might skip the trade. Oh my god, I'm going to getting the cool pet again. Ha ha ha. What about you? Do you get any pets? No, they slime. Why do you want a lot of potion? It's taking time to us to take the potion. Hey, guy, you with the potion. That guy's really vicious. He just not escaping my trade with a potion. Oh my god, but I can still trading another person. And you know what? I get some pet yesterday by trading the potion too. So I'm going to put the pet that I get yesterday. Wait, you get the pet? You get a pet?
No, I get an egg.
Wait. But you are not in Adopt Me?
No, I am not on Adopt Me. I am in Adopt Me. I am of the because I don't see anyone here. Okay, I don't see anyone.
Home section. Oh, what are you doing there? I try to find you everywhere and try to finding people to trade in the potion. Oh, teleport to me. You didn't even get anything from the trade yet? You know, it's only 5 minutes to trading the pet. I mean trading the potion. So I think I got she's only 2 minutes more. Oh my god. Come on, please someone escape. Hi, do you have also? Oh my god, it's the apple unicorn. My gosh, what's that? No thank you. Said no thank you, thank you. No thank you.
I got the three.
Wow, really? What traits? You get some pets?
Oh, good.
Oh my god, please, someone. I'm gonna send. Oh my god. Why no one is escaping our traits? I think we have to go to another server. Why? We have to go to another server. These people are not escaping our trade. See, you didn't even get anything from the trade yet. You're going to be lose the challenge. This is only 1 minute more. It's only 1 minute more to trading the challenge, okay?
I only get an 8. I don't have any.
So you're already to lose? It's only 1 minute left.
I know.
Okay, so 1 minute left is going to be time's up. You know what I mean, right? Yep. And you're going to be lose the game? Yep. Yeah, that was the true word I want to tell you. No, they don't want the potion. Okay, I think it's time's up in only 20 seconds more. Going to be time's up. Oh my god, I didn't trade all my potion yet. Someone trading with me.
No, the color is ending.
Oh my god, the trade is going to be end soon, you know. They just add a lot of cool pets right now. I was doing anything to get that. Oh no! Time's up. Okay, time's up. Trade me. I'm going to trade you to show you what I got from the trade from the potion. I think we both are not popular, so we didn't get. So I got a beaver, and actually I got a bunny. I got a puma. Also I got a puma. The Tasmanian tiger. No, not Tasmanian tiger. I think that's all what I get. No. And fancy fox. Okay, so I win the game, right? Wow, you get this from the trade? I guess I win the game. I get a lot of pet than you. So you have to give this pet to me. Because I win the challenge.
No.
Because I win the challenge. I win the challenge. Come on, you have to end the video.
Remember last night you lose my challenge to sleep last.
Yeah, then fine. Then I will give you back some pet too.
At 8 in the morning. Only right now.
I I don't like the pet that you give me, but I will going to be give you the chocolate dog. I told you that I'm going to give you some pet, right? And the bandicoot.
Take out my Umo. Đâu my Umo, I don't want to trade it away.
I don't know. And I'm going to give you.
I'm got something else.
I love my pet. I don't know what should I give you more.
How about we just decline
The big bunny. Wait, why you only add that to me? I said you have to check what you get from the treat. Yeah.
Let me take out the bunny. Take out the bunny. Take out the bunny. Take it.
Yeah, good job. Okay. So we both win the challenge. Does this mean?
I win the sleep.
I don't know why you're doing a challenge sleep last night. Because my dad just coming and scream at me, so I have to hurry up to sleeping. That's why I lose the challenge this night. But if I'm that, I get the crap. Okay. Escape right now. What are you doing? Yeah, good job. Oh my god, I can't take a fuzzy day. I can't have fuzzy day. I mean the challenge. Okay guys, so what do you guys think of our video today? Come here. If you guys enjoy, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys going to subscribe. Okay, say something, Leon.
Bye guys.
Yeah, bye. And how do you feel that you give me the fossil egg and the cracked egg and the fancy facts?
I have a proxy egg. It's crazy a proxy egg. I only have one right now.
I have 5 fossil egg right now. Okay, so bye guys. Leon, you have to say goodbye. Why are you running? Say goodbye to people.
Let's go.
Call me Nora. Don't call my real name. Call me Nora.
Where are you?
I'm here. Okay guys, so bye. Yeah.